Tracy here with BibleJewelryMinistries.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really cool necklace using scrap paper and maybe a few jewelry supplies. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I have a pendant tray and a piece of glass that goes on top of it. I've got some Scrabble and glass glaze by Sun and Moon. You can find this on their site, sunandmooncrafts.com. This is old, so it's been a long time since I've done one of these, but I wanted to use up this entire piece of paper that I got from the latest Beloved Society release because it's super cute. I just wanted to use up all the paper. So I thought what I would do is just go ahead and make a little pendant out of it. And so all I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the glass piece that I'm going to be using that goes on my pendant and just put it over the paper where I want to trace. So I'm going to try to save these girls here, and I'm just going to take my pencil and just make a little circle. Okay, and then I'm going to come alongside. I'm going to cut just slightly inside of that circle just to make sure it fits. So not too much effort to create one of these little glass pendants, but I used to do these all the time and I just haven't done one in a very long time. So looks like it's just a little bit too large on one end, so I'm going to come in and just trim it off mostly where it's kind of blocky here. Just going to come in and kind of make it a little more circular. And I think I have probably just a little bit too much on this side. So if you can find, if you decide to make these and you want to, have all kinds of fun making them, you can. You can just get a hole punch and, a punch that matches the circle that you want to use. This circle here, just for your measurements, is somewhere around, let's see, a little over 3 centimeters, just slightly over 3 centimeters if you're interested in the same size. But you can go to Etsy and support the crafters on there, and if you want to purchase your stuff, or the Sun and Moon Crafts, which is where I got mine. So I'm just putting a little bit of this craft glaze down. It's like a little glue, just to kind of stick it down. So then I can take my piece of paper here and just put it inside, stick it down there. Right? If I wanted to, I could come in and put a word there, but I don't think I will. I think it'll be cute just like that. So after this is dried a little bit, that's fine. You can also do it when it's not dry, like I'm about to do. I take this glaze and I just kind of put it, start from the middle, and I just kind of put it over the paper. And then I can lay my pebble on top of it, my little glass pebble on top of it. But I just put a little thin layer, just a thin layer. You don't need much. And then I put my little glass pebble on top of it. I just want to make sure that there's no air holes. So I'm just going to push it down until I lose all of those air holes. And I've got a really cute Beloved Society necklace. So I'm just going to let this dry. And it will just take a few hours to dry, and it will just sit right on top of that and be super cute. Let me zoom in so you can see the final result. It's so easy. Literally, scrap piece of paper, pendant tray, piece of glass. You can even get enamel if you don't want a piece of glass. You just put the, it's like an enamel sticker you can just stick on it. And some of this glass glaze. The reason why I use the glass glaze is because, you can see here, the glass glaze. Let me just kind of back out so you can see it. The reason why I use the glass glaze is because I find that it gives a nicer sheen at the it doesn't yellow, it doesn't change colors, and so I just really liked this product. But again, I bought it from the Sun and Moon Craft Kit. So I hope that this was kind of a fun, different way to think about using your Bible journaling supplies. If you have questions, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.